down. She'll be right out. This is so exciting.
I'm coming. 1 sec.
Yep, come on. There's someone waiting for you.
Wait, don't.
Okay. Come on down. She's coming. She's coming.
I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, she has no idea. She has no idea.
It's a surprise, so
Oh, it's so sweet. This is so sweet. Oh,
Okay. Yep.
oh my God.
Come on.
Wow.
Come on.
He has
Give me 1
flowers.
second.
Oh my gosh. He has flowers. That's so sweet. Oh, he looks so
I'm coming.
happy.
I'll be right there. I'm just getting all my things together.
Okay.
He looks so happy.
Is anyone there? Is my driver here yet to pick me up?
Yeah, your driver's here.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna need someone to bring down all my luggage.
Okay.
Is my driver the only one there?
Yeah.
so sweet. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for her to come out. I can't wait
Can
for her
you
to come
promise
out.
there's no one else there because I can't be seen right now?
There's no one else here. It's just your driver. Come on down.
Okay, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Oh,
because I'm
she's
trying to
coming.
be, like,
She's
really
coming out.
discreet right now. I just don't want to see anyone. I just need to go directly home.
Okay, yes, we'll get you home.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
It's
make
so
sure no one
sweet.
has their cameras out, okay?
Okay.
I don't want any paparazzi or anyone getting footage of this.
There's no paparazzi.
Oh,
Just come
she
on
just
down.
needs to hurry up
Is
and
there
come
any
out.
like fans out there?
No. There's no fans. You
Oh.
can come down. It's safe.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, my boyfriend isn't here, right?
No. Your
Uh-oh.
boyfriend's not here.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Good. I think he's supposed to be home like in a week or something. I just want to make sure he's not here yet.
No.
Oh my gosh. She's trying to
I would come on out. I think it's time for you to come on out. I'll gather your things.
Oh my gosh, she's coming out. She's gonna come out
Tell
right
my
now.
driver to come
This
up
is
and
gonna
get
make me
my
cry.
stuff
Oh
for me. I'm not carrying anything down.
my gosh, he looks so happy. This is
Okay,
so sweet.
okay.
Did he bring my assistant?
Your second assistant is not here right now, but you can come down. You can come down. Security's here. You'll be fine. We have security. You're fine.
Okay, you're sure no one else is here?
Oh my
I
gosh.
can't have anyone getting proof of this.
There's no one else here. We're alone. It's safe. You can come out.
Oh,
Okay, I'm
she's
coming.
about to
I'm
come
coming right
out.
now.
Okay.
Here she comes. Here she comes.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh my gosh. This is
Everyone,
gonna be
she's
so
coming.
cute. She's coming. She's coming out right now. Oh my
Come on.
gosh. Oh, this is
Come
so
on.
sweet.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's coming. She's gonna be so surprised. Oh my gosh. She's gonna be so surprised.
Okay, so no one's here, right? Like,
Oh my gosh.
my
She's
boyfriend's not here, right?
no, your boyfriend is not here.
Okay, because he's supposed to be coming home soon. I just want to make sure that he didn't show up here.
No, he's
Oh my
not.
gosh.
He's not here.
Are you positive?
I'm positive. Your boyfriend is not here. It's safe for you to come down. Yeah. It's totally fine. You can come down. There's no one here.
Yeah.
Your driver's here.
I'm
Oh.
finishing getting all of my
He
stuff
looks so
right
happy.
Your driver's
Oh
here.
my gosh, I love these
Security's
moments.
here. Your second assistant is downstairs waiting for you. We're all waiting for you.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love these stories. She's gonna cry. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to
I need you
see.
to do something for me. I need you to tell my assistant to call my boyfriend and tell him that I'm getting in really late. Okay?
Okay. So you don't want your boyfriend to know where you are?
Yes.
What?
Okay.
Okay, there's no one with cameras, right?
Right. She's gonna be down. Just come down in a second, okay? She's gonna be down in a second. Just hang tight, okay? Hey,
Maybe.
Jessica.
Yes, yes.
So Laura just wants to make sure that there's no one here.
Yeah, okay.
She I don't know what to do. She doesn't want her boyfriend here, and he's surprising her. I don't know what's going on.
Maybe she's trying to surprise him too, or
Yes.
so
Okay.
maybe
You're right. Yeah.
maybe that's it.
Yep.
It has to be. Yeah. So
All right. You can come on down. Come on down.
yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, tell my assistant that if my boyfriend asks, tell him that I do not land until tomorrow, okay?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. I think maybe
Make sure he thinks that I'm coming tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. She really doesn't want you to be here right now for some reason. But yeah, she's probably just nervous. So this is okay. This is adorable. This is gonna be fine, right, Jessica? She should just come down.
Yeah, I think it's fine. She's
Yeah.
probably just trying to
She
surprise
says no
him.
cameras, but I think that she'll
Yeah.
want this memory.
I think she will too.
Yeah.
I think it's really beautiful and special.
Okay, just make sure that the press
She does a
aren't-
lot of surprises for me too.
Yeah.
Jessica,
Okay.
just make sure that
This
the
is not
press
an
aren't
unusual
here.
thing.
Okay, I'll keep them back. Yeah. Yeah, they're
I need this one down too. This
Okay,
one's important.
okay.
Make sure.
Okay.
This one's really important.
Okay. And then it's time to come down, okay?
Okay, take that down. Let me finish getting my stuff.
okay. All right.
All right, it's time.
Oh my gosh.
Go
Okay.
ahead and
Oh my
come on
gosh.
out. It's time for you to come out now.
Okay. I think she's coming. I think she's
I
coming.
think you're really gonna enjoy this.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Okay.
1
Oh my
minute.
gosh.
I'm
Okay, here
almost
she
ready.
comes. I think she's gonna be so excited and so surprised. Oh, this is just beautiful. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, there she is. There she is.
Okay, I just really have to get
There
this
she is. There
done.
she is. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, yeah.
There she is.
I need to know what is in here. Are these my shoes? Or are these my bags, like my purses?
Those are all your shoes.
Are you positive that you grabbed everything?
Yep, we have everything. We've got your bags down here. We've got your big bag up there that we're gonna
Oh my
grab.
gosh, oh
Your
my gosh.
driver is here. Your second assistant is here, and your boyfriend is not here. So you are in the clear. You can come down right now.
Okay,
Right now.
I need you to make sure that you take this one down too. I don't want to leave this on the jet.
Here she
Okay.
comes. Here she
I
comes.
might want to use some of this stuff at the other property, so I need you to take it down for me.
Okay.
Let me just do another run through and make sure that I have everything.
Okay, and then you're gonna come down, right? Come down right now.
She's
okay?
coming. She's coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm about to come down.
Here she comes. Here she
Okay.
comes. Here she comes.
Yep. Anything else? Let's go.
Hold on.
The driver's waiting for you.
Let me check. Oh hi. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I forgot that I left this.
Okay, come on.
Okay. This is going to
The
be such a
car's
beautiful
waiting.
moment. It's going to be so beautiful. Oh, now he's doing rose petals. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh, this is going to be amazing. This is going to be amazing. Oh my gosh.
Come on down. Come on down. Let's
my
go.
God.
I just had to grab my sunglasses from the cockpit
Okay.
Okay.
Why were your sunglasses in the cockpit?
because you know I was up there earlier. Okay, so
Oh.
no one is out there,
Oh,
right?
she was
No
in the
one's
cockpit.
watching me. No one has any photos. No cameras.
no cameras. Press is not here.
Are you sure? Because no one can know about this. I want to make sure that this is super discreet.
Yes, it's very discreet.
Oh my gosh,
It's,
oh my
it's
gosh.
a very small, intimate setting. You can come down. It's safe. The
Oh my
press is
gosh.
not here.
So no one has a camera.
There are no cameras.
Okay,
Did you
yeah,
ask my assistant if she called my boyfriend?
Yes,
I did.
your assistant has talked to your boyfriend,
yeah.
and he is not here.
Oh my gosh,
Okay,
oh
so
my
he
gosh.
thinks I'm coming home tomorrow night, right?
Yes, he thinks that you're coming home tomorrow night. He has no idea that you're in town.
Are you positive?
I'm
Oh
positive.
my gosh. This is
You're-
so
Laura,
sweet. Okay, okay, she needs to come down. She needs to come down right now. She needs to come down.
I want to make sure that I don't leave anything in
Yeah.
the jet because I'm going to be back at this property for a week.
Okay, I think you should come down now,
Oh, he's so
though.
sweet.
The car's,
He's
the
been waiting
driver's
so
been
patiently.
waiting.
Okay, so no one else is down there.
Oh my gosh, oh my
No
gosh.
one is down here
Oh my gosh,
besides
she's
your
coming,
driver
she's
and
coming.
the assistant.
She's coming. It's okay. Yeah, yeah. I think it's good. I think she wants to surprise him too. I think this is going to be so beautiful. Yeah, she wants to. I think, yeah.
I'm
It's gonna be so
positive. Go
cute.
ahead and come on down. Come on down.
Yeah,
Come down.
it's time, it's time. Oh my gosh, she's putting more rose petals. It's so
Changing my
sweet.
mind. I don't know if I'm ready to be back home.
So
You
sweet.
don't want to be home?
No, I think, I don't know. I think maybe we should just fly back to Hawaii.
Oh,
No. Come on.
tell her to come off. She needs to come off. Yeah.
Jason's coming home soon. Don't you want to see him? Come on.
I don't know who this is for.
Come on down. Hold on. I mean, we gotta go. Right, Jessica?
Yeah, I think it's about time. She needs to come out now. Yeah, I think she should come out.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Here, I'm gonna get down to help you.
Okay, okay. All right.
Okay.
So, yeah, I think
All right,
maybe,
okay.
yeah.
She's coming. She's about to come down.
She's about to come down.
Are you sure there's no cameras? I cannot have anyone know about this.
There's
Yeah.
no cameras.
Yeah.
Are you positive?
I'm positive.
100% seriously. I cannot have this in the media.
Okay.
No, it will be fine.
Oh, I don't know why she's so nervous. She's gonna be so excited. She's gonna be so happy. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so happy. Oh, she's about to come down. Look at her shoes. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Are you excited?
All right.
Okay.
Yep. Here we go. Okay.
Oh.
Wait
Yeah.
for Laura?
Yeah.
Laura? Yeah.
Who's this guy?
What's this?
Okay.
It's a surprise.
Who's this
What?
guy?
It's a surprise.
Uh-oh.
What's all this? What's all this stuff?
Uh-oh.
All right, hold on, let me.
No. Hey, don't go back.
I got. You got. I can't even hear you. You're not talking loud.
No,
Who
no,
is this
don't
guy?
go back
What?
in.
Who is this guy?
Hey,
oh
yo,
my
is
god, oh my
this,
god, oh my god. Who is that? Who is that?
What's your girlfriend's name?
Can you please, can we just talk for a minute?
Yeah, what's
Who
your
is
girlfriend's name?
Can you come down for a minute?
I
Okay.
didn't really think about this.
Yeah, I need.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Can you?
Uh,
Let's just talk here.
What?
This is a surprise.
Okay.
Surprise.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying to keep it down so that she doesn't hear that I'm here.
Okay, but which girlfriend's your name? What's her name? What's her name?
It's Laura.
Laura.
Okay.
Blonde? Brunette?
No, she.
Who is this guy?
Yeah, she's surprising them.
Brunette girl.
Yes.
Red dress on.
Brunette one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her military boyfriend is home from war. He's surprising her.
Uh-oh. Oh my god.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
But she doesn't know.
Just wait.
Who's
She
this
doesn't
guy?
know.
It's a surprise.
I need to know
Okay,
who
yeah,
this guy
okay.
is.
She's coming.
Okay, I'm gonna get her right now.
I need to know who this guy is.
Down.
Oh my God, she's coming. Okay. Wait, but do you know who that guy is?
Hey, babe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Do
I
we...
didn't really think this through. I think
Okay.
now I'm understanding why she
Okay.
has the hesitation.
Maybe she has a new assistant.
Hey,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's totally her new assistant.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Don't look up there.
Yeah, just keep looking at me.
Looking
Yeah,
over there for
you
the
look so
cameras.
happy.
dude, like, wearing a
Well,
freaking,
okay.
This is bad. This is bad, Jessica. What did
I
you
know,
do?
I know.
This is bad.
Okay,
She's
he's
gonna
coming
be
back.
So mad. I
He's-
told her. I told her there were no cameras.
I know.
I told her that
And
she
now-
wasn't here.
Uh-oh. Oh no, oh no.
The red dress, right?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Well, brunette.
You guys, I've made a
Give me
really
one
big
second.
mistake.
Hold
I
on.
think
Hey,
I'm
hey,
about.
hey.
Okay.
Just don't.
This is gonna be so bad. This is gonna be so bad.
Yeah,
She's about to be really mad.
Okay.
Oh no.
But what about?
Whatever your name was.
Yeah, just keep breathing. She's gonna be really happy to see you.
No, the other one. Yeah,
She's
you.
gonna be really happy to see you.
No,
how?
hey, one of you girls
She's.
has,
I don't know.
has the boyfriend or something?
Um,
Which one of you has
maybe,
the boyfriend?
maybe. Yeah, I don't. Maybe he's.
Sir.
Well,
This is her driver.
Okay.
So,
Oh no.
here's the deal, man.
Okay. Are
here. I'm the driver.
what?
Yeah, but here's what you gotta know, okay?
Make sure he doesn't have a camera. I don't want any cameras.
Okay.
Turn those cameras
We
off.
should turn the
No,
camera
look.
Okay.
guys.
Should we
just
turn
have
them
the
off?
car.
We need to turn them off.
My driver.
Yes, it's your driver.
You know this
Okay.
guy?
But.
I mean, if he's my driver,
Jessica,
is that
Oh,
you?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
tell them to cut the cameras.
Hey,
They
Okay,
need
okay,
that.
Make sure there's no cameras. Okay, I'm gonna come down. Make sure there's no cameras.
I'm gonna leave them on. I'm gonna leave them on. She's coming down. She's coming down.
Charlie
Okay.
speaking, your
Okay, she's
driver.
coming
I have
down.
the car ready
She's
for
coming
you.
down right
Go
now.
ahead,
Oh my
come on
gosh.
down when you're
What's
ready.
gonna happen? What's gonna happen? This is crazy. Oh.
Just come on down, guys.
Uh-oh.
Come down now.
Uh-oh.
This has to happen. Come down.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh.
Come on down. Guys are down.
Yeah, we're going to Mykonos next month if you want to
Oh, I love Mykonos.
come. Yeah?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You got more friends,
Okay.
but,
Oh, here she
you know,
comes.
like friends,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, of course.
You know?
Yeah, this was the best time ever.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so,
Oh my gosh.
So here's your,
Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
I'm home.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Oh.
home.
you're kind of interrupting something right now, man.
Oh no.
Oh my,
Um,
oh my gosh.
Who are
Oh,
you?
my
You're her-
assistant.
you're
This
her-
is my assistant.
Okay.
What are you
Is
doing
that really?
home so early? Oh my
That guy
gosh.
seems really confused.
Oh
Uh-oh.
my
Uh-oh.
gosh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yes. Oh, I love you so much. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for you.
What's your name? What's your name?
Steve.
Steve, thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hey,
Honey,
What's,
I got these for you. I got these for
Oh
you.
no. Oh
hey,
no.
hey,
Oh
hey,
no.
hey, hey,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I made this
There's
sign
about
for
to
you.
be. Oh no.
hey,
Yes.
hey.
You're
Oh
so
my god, I can't believe this is happening.
Really fun. Really fun.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
Oh,
Honestly.
he's so silly.
Oh.
He just,
What do you mean it was really
Uh-oh.
fun?
He
What was really
Uh-oh.
fun?
not, he loves carrying my bags.
I thought you were
Um,
going by yourself.
Wait, is that-
Wasn't this...
No, babe.
Honey,
Uh-oh.
what-
Uh-oh.
What's going on?
What do you mean?
What's
Yeah.
Anyone
going
else
on?
have boyfriends showing up?
Uh-oh. Oh. I
Anyone
think.
else have boyfriends?
Hey, Steve, who are you?
Uh-oh.
What are...
She's cheating on you
Oh
with him.
What?
It's so
No,
obvious.
no, hey.
no.
please.
Oh
Are
no.
you serious?
No, I'm not.
Are you serious?
I'm not. That's totally my bag carrier.
Are you...
Hold on.
Is that- is that true?
Listen, I got something to say to everyone.
Are you
Is that
serious?
true? Oh no.
Cheater.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
All
hey,
this
hey,
surprise
Oh
for
no.
Hey.
With him?
Hey,
With
no,
that
you
guy?
back off.
With that guy?
Steve.
Is someone filming this? Please
Oh.
put
Oh.
the cameras away.
No, keep it rolling.
Oh.
put
no.
the cameras away.
Oh, I don't know.
I
if
go
you-
back and I fight
Oh.
for our country, and this is what you
Oh
do?
no. Oh no.
I'm done with you. Take your
Okay.
flowers.
Oh boy.
Back on the jet. Back
Yeah.
on the jet.
Let's go back to Mykonos.
Oh my god, they're just leaving him? Oh no.
No!
Oh no.
What are you doing?
No.
Security.
Take him away.